Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Right now it is the time for lemon flowering. That is why we have to complete some essential work. As you all know, we have done mulching in plants because of Delhi's extreme cold weather. But right now it is mid-February, so we have to remove the mulching. Even though mulching protects our plant and soil, but if there is mulching on a plant for a long time, it can harm the plant. Because sunlight is essential for the plant and the roots also. That's why my mom will remove the mulching and dig it and keep it under sunlight for a few times. Do you have any problem with lemon flowering in your plant? If yes, what kind of care do you do? If you want more blooming or flowering, the stress of the plant is important. Now you might be wondering, how do we give stress to plant? One of the methods is you have to stop watering your plants. You may stop watering your plants for 2 to 3 days. Let the soil completely dry, then you have to water thoroughly. Second step is proper nutrition to your plants. Now you might be wondering, what is proper nutrition? For proper nutrition, potassium, magnesium and calcium is important for your plant. As you all know, my mom is an organic gardener. That's why she makes homemade organic manure at home free of cost. For this manure, my mom uses banana peel, coffee powder and eggshells. And the kitchen waste compost she makes, she had already given that a few days ago. Manure is a slow releasing nutrition, but it is very effective. If you want to know how my mom makes this manure, please check out our playlist and watch all the videos. This manure and kitchen waste compost fulfills all micro and macro nutrients. After giving this manure and kitchen waste compost, evenly spread it and then water it. After giving this manure, our blooming already started after 7 days. In this small plant, we get a lot of lemons. We make lemonade, lemon rice and a lot of lemon dishes. We really enjoy it. After flowering, the soil must be moist all the time. Otherwise, there is a great chance of flower droppings. If you have any more questions, please let us know. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.